There's one simple natural ingredient costing less than $25 can transform your bedroom into a luxurious spa-like sanctuary that helps you sleep better, reduces stress, and makes you actually excited to go to bed every night. What if the secret to that calming, expensive hotel scent isn't candles, diffusers, or air fresheners, but something far simpler and more effective? I discovered this by accident 2 months ago, and it completely changed my sleep quality and bedroom experience. Watch to the end, because this one ingredient will revolutionize your sanctuary. The bedroom that never felt right. You spend a third of your life in your bedroom. It should be your sanctuary, the place where you feel most relaxed and peaceful. But for most people, bedrooms are just functional spaces that don't feel special. They smell like nothing, or worse, they smell slightly stale, like laundry and sleep and closed windows. You've tried scented candles that give you headaches, plug-in air fresheners that smell artificial and chemical, diffusers that are expensive and complicated. The secret ingredient, dried lavender. The hotel manager smiled and said, "Dried lavender. We place small sachets of dried lavender in strategic locations. That's what you're smelling." I was stunned. Lavender? That simple? She explained that dried lavender releases its essential oils slowly and naturally over weeks. It creates a subtle, calming scent that's never overwhelming. It's completely natural, safe, and has actual scientific benefits for sleep and stress reduction. And unlike artificial fragrances, it doesn't give people headaches or respiratory irritation. I immediately bought dried lavender. Not the essential oil, not lavender spray. Actual dried lavender buds. Cost $10 to $12 for a large bag that would last months. I placed it strategically around my bedroom. How to use lavender for maximum effect. Here's exactly what I did. And you can replicate this tonight. I bought dried lavender buds from a spice shop or online. I created 5 small sachets using breathable fabric bags or even just coffee filters tied with string. I placed these sachets strategically, 1 under my pillow, 2 in my dresser drawers where they also scent my clothes, 1 hanging on my closet door handle, and 1 on my nightstand. The scent is subtle but pervasive. It fills the room without being overwhelming. When you walk into the bedroom, you notice it immediately. The science behind why this works. Lavender contains compounds called linalool and linaloyl acetate. These compounds have been scientifically shown to reduce anxiety, lower heart rate, and improve sleep quality. When you smell lavender, your nervous system actually shifts toward a parasympathetic, rest and digest state. It's not a placebo. It's a measurable physiological change. Multiple studies have confirmed that sleeping in a lavender-scented room improves both the quality and duration of sleep. Compare this to artificial air fresheners, which often contain phthalates and synthetic fragrances that can actually disrupt sleep and cause respiratory irritation, beyond just scent. After 2 months of using lavender in my bedroom, the changes go beyond just the smell. My bedroom has become my favorite room in my house. I actually look forward to going to bed because the environment is so pleasant. My stress levels have noticeably decreased. I fall asleep within minutes instead of tossing for an hour. My sleep quality, tracked with a simple app, has improved measurably. And guests who stay over always comment on how calming and spa-like my bedroom feels. The cost-benefit reality. A bag of dried lavender for $12 lasts me approximately 4 months before needing replacement. That's $3 monthly for a spa-like bedroom that improves my sleep and reduces my stress. Compare that to scented candles at $20 or more that last 2 weeks and contain potentially harmful chemicals. How to get started tonight. Buy dried lavender buds. Create 3 to 5 small sachets using any breathable fabric or coffee filters. Place them around your bedroom. That's it. Within 24 hours, your bedroom will smell like a luxury spa. And within a week, you'll notice improved sleep and reduced stress. This is the easiest, most affordable bedroom transformation you can make. There it is. The one ingredient your bedroom needs to smell like a spa. Dried lavender strategically placed in breathable sachets. If this just gave you the key to a better sleep sanctuary, smash that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple transformations. Share with anyone who deserves better sleep. Comment if you're trying this tonight. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, transform your bedroom, sleep better, and enjoy your personal spa every single night.